Welcome to Majestic Fire, your trusted partner in fire protection services. At Majestic Fire, we understand the critical importance of fire safety, and we are committed to providing top-notch services to ensure the protection of your assets and, most importantly, the safety of lives. Take a look at the comprehensive services we offer to keep your property safe from the threat of fire. 1. Fire extinguisher installation. Our team of highly trained technicians will assess your premises and strategically install fire extinguishers in key locations. We tailor our approach to meet the specific needs of your space, ensuring maximum coverage and efficiency. 2. Fire extinguisher maintenance and service. Regular maintenance is routine checks, ensuring that every unit is ready to perform when needed. From checking pressure gauges to inspecting hoses and verifying clear labels, Majestic Fire takes a proactive approach to maintenance, giving you peace of mind that your fire extinguishers are always in top shape. 3. Fire extinguisher refilling. In the event that your fire extinguisher has been used or needs a refill, Majestic Fire provides prompt and efficient refilling services. Our team adheres to strict standards to ensure that each extinguisher is filled with the appropriate extinguishing agent ready for the next emergency. 4. Fire safety training. At Majestic Fire, we believe that knowledge is power. That's why we offer comprehensive fire safety training programs. Our experienced instructors cover everything from understanding different types of fires to using fire extinguishers effectively. 5. Fire Safety Certificate. Our experienced safety inspectors conduct a comprehensive examination of your property. This includes a thorough assessment of fire extinguisher placement, functionality, and maintenance records. We examine emergency lighting, exit signs, and ensure that all fire safety measures are up to code. Following the assessment, our inspectors provide clear and detailed feedback.